Welcome to channel Free Unlimited Text to Picture AI, Picture to Video Complete Process with 2 methods. Just simply click link in description, sign up total free, no need to pay thousands of extra dollars. Just enter the email, complete the process. Many users are working on the site. Just check the realistic work. And there are also different option of pictures, sizes, and you can also select picture as requirement. If you have prompt, just type dialog box and also can select 4 pictures at a time. If you do not have prompt, just use ChatGPT or Gemini AI. And if you are new in prompt or picture to video basic channel, in next video I will tell you about how to make prompt. And second method is to use cell phone to make a picture from Meta AI, just type a prompt. Now download the pictures. Just open site for picture to video, Pika or Hyper AI link in description. Just log in to Hyper AI. Some credits are free to use, but after on day Hyper AI will refill the credits. Simply select image to video and upload picture type prompt. Wait a second. After downloading video, just edit. I am using budget-friendly Canva. Reset the size color at C and simply download. If you have any other software like Adobe Premiere or CapCut, Wondershare, Filmora, you can use for editing, but do not forget to like, subscribe and hit bell icon. Thank for watching video.